Yeah. It's out, it's out, it's out. Ooh, baby mouse. Alright guys, welcome back. A little shadow vlog here. So what we got going on here is blowing some more strings in, of course, but today we did a little different setup. We got the air compressor right here. And what we were doing, we're kind of just testing out to see which pipe is which. Kind of just blowing some air in there, so just wrapped a bunch of tape around there. And then we're just testing to see if we got air pressure on the other side. And then once we confirmed that the pipe goes where it goes, what we did was put the string through here, some more tape for suction, and then the string blows in there, connect the air compressor right here, and then you tie the mouse on to the string, and then it blows the string down, and if that makes any sense. So the vacuum wasn't making enough suction, so I told him how to do this a little bit, and this is what he came up with. Thought he was going to bring a big air compressor, but he just brought that little red one, this little red one right here, so had to keep waiting for it to get the right air pressure because it just empties out so fast. But you just stick the string through here, you tie the mouse on. There's different sizes, so this is like for a 1 inch, like this for the inside diameter of a 1 inch, and this is the inside diameter of a 3/4. So then you just tie the mouse on right here, tie the mouse on, and then you hook the air up, put this on the pipe, and then it just creates a seal through the pipe and blows it through the pipe to the other side. So it worked out pretty well as long as there's not too much crap or water in the pipe. So doing that, had some problems. This pipe was never connected right here, so just going as we go. So we got, I think, mostly all of them done. So just have to worry about a little stuff, one more section, so that's about it. So this is one of the sections we still have left to do. That one right there is dead, but there should be 2 to 4, well maybe 5 there, a couple right there, and one over here, right there, and then there should be, and one of those will go right here to this, and then the other one goes along to the sign down the wall. But so I don't know, actually there's another set of another light post right there, and then from there it'll go to the sign on the other side of that. So, and then from there it'll go to the carport. So there's a few things left to do, but for the most part we finished her up. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Social media is down below in the description, and God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later. So hopefully we'll be able to start pulling some wire tomorrow once we finish pulling in these strings. So that about wraps up my day. That's what I did today. I will see you guys tomorrow. And thanks for all the support. Subscribers are going through the roof, so I appreciate that. So thanks for all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate your support. See you later, guys. One more thing, guys. My friend is going to try to help me make a new intro or something like that. He is really amazing at videos, like insanely good. So hopefully that'll be super sweet. Hopefully I can use that in all my videos. And yep. So I think that was about it. Maybe something else I missed, but.